Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account on Doordash. So let's get into the video. So if you are a dasher and you want to update your bank account, so what you can simply do is, as per the expertise site from Doordash, this is from the Doordash official site. So what you can simply do, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is open up your Dasher app and log into your account. Once you log into your account, all you need to do is just go to settings, and then on your settings here you will have an earnings tab. There on the settings you will see the earning tabs. So click on it, and then once you get your earnings tab, then you will see a red bank or symbol there on your top right of your screen as mentioned here on the top right of screen. So just click on it and then tap on add bank account. So that's it, and then once you tap on that, all you have to do is just provide your bank details, or even you can also provide your bank details. So you can just check your photo of your card, those information, or you can just simply provide the information and then complete the process, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.